bango. Kami food na sarap. Ako muna. Sa sahig lang. Ito, babe. Meron. Kanya. Tamad! Kapagod na.
Quitter never win.
Hindi ako nag-breakfast ng marami.
Yoko na! Pahinga muna ako, pahinga.
Teka, pahinga muna ako. Tapos kailangan ko kasing tumakbo eh. Mas lalo ako napapagod. Ay, thank you Lord. Tatakap yung mga bata. Whew. Okay.
Karaoke.
Karaoke ba? Bawal dyan. Hanggang dyan ka lang.
Yan. Okay? Ready po?
Liwanag na yun.
Ikaw. Try ko naman. Kasi naka-live ko. Ready? 1, 2. One more. Tension neck. 1, 2, and 3. Gagalaw. Ganda. Yes.
Makamalaman. Sa akin. Lalagyan lang kung ano.
Liwanag.
Kasama sa picture, tulak ang tulak ko manita. May sipon pa yung likod ko. Uy, sa'yo ito. Sa'yo ba ito? Saan mo nakuha yan? Uy, may sipon mo likod ko. Ay, ganito. Nasa ko yung ilong mo. Ay, ganito. Sa'yo. Pinunas mo sa akin. Pakaan mo talaga bata.
Kasi magka-camera rin pa tayo. Isa po sa
Tuwa ka pa.
Alin po?
Ay, parang giant.
Okay.
Takot ako.
1, 2, 3. Look up a little. Ayan, 1, 2, 3. Huwag mo nang gagalaw. 1, 2, 3. Wait lang po. 1, 2, and 3. Okay po. Perfect picture.
Ako.
Yes, nice one.
Ayan.
Ganda lang.
Ay, teka lang.
Yan mo sa akin okay. Adjust mo.
Sige, ma'am.
dyan, pero kasi delikado.
Iki. Iki. Kuhanan mo nga ako. Picture me. Iki. Ayan, nito. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wait lang. Isa pa po. Tingin kayo dito. Mag-hi po kayo. Okay. Sunod po. Sir, excuse po.
Josephine Ardamir.
Sir.
Oh, mo isali.
So. Sige po.
May ganun tayo.
One, two, three, four, five. Mag-hi po kayo sa video. Mag-hi po kayo, ma'am. Tingin kayo.
Jungle area. Okay na yan. Sige ma'am, babalik ko. Ma'am, dito lang ako. Sa likod mo. Alang ma'am no?
Ay, iwan ka muna. Halika dito. Tara doon.
Hawak lang kayo ha. Ito, medyo malalim ito ha. Hawak lang. Sir, hawak lang sir. Oh.
Pupunta ulit ako.
Opo. Salamat.
Si Aubrey. Narinig si Aubrey.
baka hindi tayo naman pay.
Kuya, ano ba yan? Sinila! Kuya, baka sa pinela! Thank you, ate.
Hindi kaya naman pay yun. Natumba si ano, Jana.
Natapa ako na baka.
Teka, ipapawag nga nalalayan ko si Ma'am Pay. Baka mabubuta siya mahuhulog. Ipapawag. Ay, basta yung cellphone mo daw. Angat ko sabi yung short eh. Wala ka stick,
Ay. Thank you po. Yung cellphone, ano na? Karelo, ito yung tsinelas ah.
Kasi, there might be crush or something.
Paano lang ako, sir? Putik ko yung chinelas mo eh.
Oh, ano, hawakan mo, kailangan mo pa rin ano yun yan. Kasi babalik natin ito mamaya.
Ay, hindi ka nakahawak, Briadan. Hindi ka nakahawak?
Eh, nakahawak ako.
Wala ko mamaya.
Ikaw sabi sa Chris.
Pag tumani ang nakaragdagan na paano din.
Sige. Doon, malapit na. Ano, ano na lang.
Hindi ako upo.
Pipicture lang natin ng bata pa tayo.
na bumaba eh.
Ibon are the stewards of
Wait lang ha.
Daddy, ba't pala yung bagong Gundam?
Bukas yun or mamaya.
Bukas yung mamaya. Pokemon. Pokemon.
Dapat ka dito.
Yung Pokemon.
Ready?
Yung Pokemon.
1, 2, 3. Hi, I'm Michael.
Andre.
And welcome to Diva's
Diva's
Realm. Cards
Toys.
and Travel. We are here in Cagayan Valley or Cagayan Santa Ana, and we're going to open some
Gundam.
GD03. The old set, kasi may bagong set ngayon na GD04, and we'll be opening it tomorrow. But for now, we're going to open 3 packs of GD03.
Wait a minute. There's
So,
three of us.
three persons, 3 packs. O, pili ka, Aubrey. Ito sa'yo. Ay, wala na yan. Ito sa akin. So, woman's first.
Oh, come on.
Una ka. So, this is the pack of Aubrey. Opening our first GD03. So, tingnan natin kung anong mapupul ni Aubrey. So, I'll be the one representing to pull Aubrey.
Oh, come on. You're gonna open the pack 2 times.
Wait lang.
Teeter.
Di buksan.
Teeter.
So, nandito kami sa Cagayan, Santa Ana. Para sa office outing. And this is our first opening of Steel Requiem GD03. So, ito yung pack ni Aubrey. Okay? Ay, op. Alright. Tingnan natin. Okay. Wow, ang ganda ng artwork. First card. Second card. Third card. Op. Fourth card. Fifth card is ano to, rare ba to?
Hindi.
Uncommon.
It's a rare.
Wow, it's a rare and so rare.
Rare.
Alright. Okay.
Mina.
Wala masyadong hot pero ito ang nakuha ni Aubrey.
Ha?
Andre's turn. Kaya mo kunin yan.
Daddy, I think you have the most luck because you're wearing pink and the pack is a pink pack.
Ilagyan natin syempre ng penny sleeve natin.
Penny. Leaves. Penny wax.
Yan. Saan yung rare yan?
Rare.
Okay na, nasa na.
Ano to?
Syempre we have to protect our cards.
Okay, what's next?
Okay.
Green sheep.
Sino yung makikita?
Kasi hawakan mo. Careful lang ako.
Cool dude on the moon.
Ooh, ganda. Uy, kaya
Green robot. International Space Station.
Uy, ganda.
No space station
Robot
to.
with a sword. I rare. A kid just like me.
Where? Nakita.
Uy, wow.
Eh.
Oh.
Eh.
Alright.
Daddy, you next.
Alright. So,
Daddy, you
ano
next.
nakuha mo?
I'm a kid like me and this cool card.
Right. So, dalawang rare. We have 2 rares in 2 packs.
Kita yung si kuya naman niya.
Oo nga eh. Alright.
What did
My turn. Alright, wait lang. Ayun lang natin. Okay.
Dami ah.
Saan yung pack ko? Ayan, my turn.
Ni Daddy.
So, hopefully, we got something good out of our last pack. And
It's a pink pack like his clothes, a pink clothes.
so, hopefully, we got something good.
Boom, kaboom.
Kaya kung kasi gusto kong gamitin ulit yung pack para ilagay yung cards eh. Wala tayong binder dala eh. Ang hirap. And we're going to open 3 packs din
Let
ng
Andre use his good old
GD04.
magic.
Wait. Alright, tingnan natin. Okay,
Ganda ah.
second pack. Second card. Third card. Fourth card. Oh, Unicorn Gundam, Destroy Mode, for armor.
Unicorn. That doesn't look like a unicorn to me though.
Oh, leader rare. We got a leader rare. And the last card is, yan. But we got a leader rare. Wow.
Gold.
Wow, gold. Anong gold?
Sa'yo.
We got a texturized leader rare na, ato, GD03-017LR.
What do you mean by
Texturized leader rare.
what's that texturized?
May texture siya. Alright, that's it for tonight. Later, I think later or tomorrow we're going to open the brand new set ng GD04.
Let's do
But
it later.
tingnan lang natin kung ano pa mangyari within the day, and we're going to open some pack of Pokemon.
Bye-bye.
Perfect order. So again, I'm Michael,
Andre,
Abby.
and this is Diva's Realm Cards
toys.
and Travel. Bye. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Bye.
Pa-off ako. Alright, yun lang. Pa-off ako. Pa-off, Aubrey.
Okay lang.
White pandan po, no? White pandan.
No? Marami. Pupuli ko yung cellphone. Mabili siya lang. Mabilis. Ito naman kayo lahat.
Why is this fish so small?
Baby steps nga daw yan.
Baby. Is that why we're gonna climb 500?
Yeah.
Why did they make it baby step?
Kasi bibi nga. Bibi ang naglalakad.
Uy, paru-paro.
Ah? Saan?
Paru-paro.
Saan paru-paru?
Dumaan sa akin. Obre, saan ka na?
Dito sa likod dito. Ay, taripe. Meters.
Sa taas na pas.
Ay, ito na yung mataas. Anoy! Step. Ay, gusto ko yung magbibideo sa atin sa baba pa. Sa baba pa sila. Magbibideo pa. Pakit naman.
Manoy! Asa na kayo?
Nagbibideo sa atin, wala pa. Tayo natin sila. Oo, magbibideo pa pataas. Pataas yun. Ay, nandito si...
Palawi Island.
Go. Palawi!
6, 7.
Okay na.
Alright.
Daanan nating daanan.
Ay, puso. Nanay Julie.
Ready. 1, 2, 3. Hi, I'm Michael.
Andre.
And we are here in Palawi Island. And welcome to Divas Realm. Cards
Toys.
and Travel. Nandito tayo sa dulo ng Pilipinas sa Palawi or Cagayan. And
We climb over a bundok.
Cagayan Valley and umakyat kami. And mag-o-open tayo ng Pokemon cards na perfect order. So,
Si nanay nag-inom yun.
nakakakuha tayo. Dalawa lang muna kasi meron pa sa taas and we'll open 2 more. So for now, dalawa lang muna. O, choose a pack. Pack battle kami ni Andre here in Palawi Island. At Cagayan. So,
Talaga yan.
ready? Tingnan natin, pack battle tayo. Kung ano ang ating makita. At syempre, paalala lang po sa mga tao na pupunta rin dito sa Palawi Island na bawal po magtapon ng basura at ganun din, bawal kumuha ng mga anything inside the
But
island.
you can get a rock.
Bawal. And you have to respect nature and the people here. So, tara.
We can get a rock.
Bawal nga.
Yung rock.
Okay, ready.
We can get a single
Ready?
rock.
Paano ba? Ganito, di ba? Saan ganon? Tama ba?
Card.
Tama ba?
And this is
Sa taas, power, energy. Guess the energy tayo. Ako, colorless.
because green.
Okay, sige.
Green.
Iyan mo kasi baka tayo makita. Ready? 1, 2, 3. O psychic. Green. Okay, ready.
I was correct.
Halucha, ikaw.
Espur.
Alright, next. Spipo.
Salandit.
Energy search.
Leching.
Furfro.
Scatterbug.
Diggersby. Oh. Diggersby. Ang init, bilisan mo. Diggersby.
Tornado.
Alright. Energy swatter.
Dodger.
Okay. Aromatis.
Volcanion.
Next is reverse hollow Snorlax at nahulog yung swatter ko. Ano sa'yo?
Reverse Hollow Rosa Engagement.
Reverse hollow Aegis Slash and ano sa'yo? Okay na?
You first.
Sige, ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Lapras EX.
Antique Seal Fossil.
Ano sa'yo? Yan rare mo? Meron ka pa isa. And?
Salapic energy.
Oh!
You said you got a Lapras EX.
So, I got a Lapras EX. Yan po ang nakuha namin for the 2 packs. And later, nagbubukas din tayo ulit ng dalawa dun sa taas. Bye! Ay, thank you po.
I said tornado here.
Sige. Hi, I'm Michael. And welcome to Diva's Realm Cards and Travel. We are here in Malawi Island, Cagayan, and we're going to open our last Pokemon packs. Perfect order. Ano sa'yo, Andre? Sige. Alright, ito, magbubukas tayo. Pack battle tayo dito sa Malawi Island, Cagayan. Yes, kasama ko si Aubrey at si Andre. Okay, pack battle. Careful na ano ha.
I hope I don't fall again.
Paalala lang po sa mga pupunta dito, ang ganda po ng lugar. Bawal lang po magtapon ng basura. And syempre, bawal kumuha ng mga kung ano-ano. At respect the locals and respect nature. So tayo magbubukas na.
Be careful, I fell on my butt there.
Okay, we're going to open some Pokemon packs the perfect order. And, ready? Okay. Ready?
Wait, there's the energy.
Sige, okay. Okay. Gusto mo na kasi. 1, 2, 3.
4.
Shinx. Spinarak.
Pokemon
Fritzy.
catcher.
Double Blade. Rosa's Encouragement.
Terapia.
Vivi Bloom.
Barbicol.
Luminosity.
Nevin.
Reversalo Luxio.
Reversal
Tipo, Reversalo and Omega Zygar DX. Ano na pa mo? What do you got? Okay, I won. Thank you. I'm Michael. And welcome to Diva's Realm Cards
Toy.
and Travel here at Malawi Island, Cagayan. Bye! Okay na po.
Sabihin natin.
Welcome.
Welcome to
FP Diva at Malawi Island.
6-7.
Ay, ulit. FP Diva at Malawi Island, Cagayan.
6-7. Alis dyan, anak. Alis dyan, alis dyan. Andre, alis dyan sila. Sus. Go!
Go.
Ako rin. Eh, ako rin, te. Asan na siya? Nag-video pa sila.
Stop.
pumunta sa... Gusto ko swimming sa beach. Daddy.
Ano? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hi, I'm Michael.
Andre.
And this is Divas Realm Cards
Toy.
and Travel.
In the pool.
Tonight, we have opened GD03, perfect order na Pokemon, and now we're going to open some
New Gundam.
GD04. Anong tawag niya?
Phantom Area.
Phantom Area. So
Area.
we got 3 packs and choose one. Sige. And si Aubrey ang isa dito.
Where's Aubrey?
We'll wait for her. So that's another video.
Isn't Aubrey sleeping?
Ay, yeah, but tingnan natin. So, pack battle tayo with Andre.
Maybe, how about you give the back to the pool?
Oh. Alright. Okay.
Why are you so fast?
Okay, we're going to open the brand new GD04 Phantom Area.
Phantom.
Alright, sige. Ano, anytime.
Anytime.
Layo na konti kasi para...
Anytime now.
Sige. Here in the pool sa aming hotel or resort. Alright.
Very a good time to spend. Hoy, trying.
Hindi kita. Alright, sige. Next.
Trying.
Next.
Humans.
Okay, next.
Square robot.
Alright, next.
A robot shooting the...
Ito.
A robot
Uncommon.
breaking the fourth wall by shooting
Next.
at us.
Hey, this is my rare.
Huh?
I got a
This is
rare
not your
one.
rare.
Bagal mo
Look
kasi.
like uncommon.
I got my rare one.
Hey. A gamer like us. May rare is a Bistini.
Dapat yan.
What is it as a tail?
Barbatos yan.
Barbatos.
So, we got rare lang. Wala tayong
Barbecue. This is barbecue.
Barbatos. Alright, that's it for our GD04. Magbubukas.
I thought you said barbecue.
So, dahil wala si Aubrey, I think we'll open na.
We open it together.
Okay, ikaw mag-open.
It's because we're kids.
Yes.
Let the blue pool give us blue luck. And blue luck means a blue leader rare.
Alright, Andre is going to open our third pack of GD04 Phantom Area here in Cagayan,
A robot with a
Valley.
big short.
the end of the Philippines North.
Bumblebee. What? It looks like Bumblebee. Person.
Ayan.
A robot with a lightsaber.
Okay, sword strike.
This is a lightsaber, right?
So yun, next.
Green robot.
And ano to? Rare?
Rare.
Rare lang. Ew. Yun lang. Sige. Okay. That's it for GD04 opening Phantom Area. Thank you again. I'm Michael.
Andre.
And welcome to Divas
Divas
Realm Cards
Toys.
and Travel. Bye-bye.